gardener, why did you deviate from nail art? Hello and welcome to another video from Natasha Lee, and I am such a professional that this is the third time I'm recording this because the first I didn't put the mic on and the second I didn't press record. So let's see, we've got a red light flashing, we've got mic, we're good to go. This week I'm going to be doing something a little bit different just because I've seen this pop up on my timeline on Facebook and I really wanted to have a go, but I was like, how can I make that better? So I decided to throw in nail products, and that look is Christmas tree hair. I love it. I don't know if you've seen it. If you haven't seen it, it's been all over TikTok. So I'm like, I want to have a go. I haven't tried it out yet first. I have no idea really what I'm doing. I've got gel. I've got a couple of bottles that I've stolen out my husband's work bag. So he tends to reuse his water bottles. Other brands are available. I think this is going to be the right size for me. I've got hair clips, I've got glitters, I've got my colour bowl and brush. You don't need all this stuff. I haven't practiced this video first, and really I should have done. So you're going to see what mistakes I make with me. Yay! I love these. I picked these up in the works the other day. They are so clever. They are like, it's an LED fairy light necklace. I've got two of them because I saw them and thought they'd be perfect. Let's hope when I take the little connecty thing out the battery it works okay. I've been procrastinating about filming this for about 2 weeks, so I'm just going to get on with this because I'm supposed to pick up the kids in half an hour and I've made the mistake so many times I'm running behind, and I really don't want to pick up my kids. It's one thing to have the green eyes and the glitter on the cheeks, it's another thing to have my hair as a Christmas tree because I won't be able to fit my head in the car. Then I'll have to steal Rick's car and put it out the roof. So let's give this a go! Okay, I watched a really quick TikTok video on this, so I know what I'm doing. She says, hair bubble at the ready. I've got a mirror next to me as well, so if you see me looking off that direction, it's a mirror, and I'm trying to make sure I'm in the camera for you guys to see. Oh, do you like the back of my hoodie? Brush all your hair over and grab your bottle. I don't think this is going to be big enough, or maybe it will. And I think what we have to do is put the bottle like in the middle of your oh my god. How old am I again? Okay, yeah, right, we're at it. Let's do this. And then we're just gonna get the hair around it. Doesn't seem to want to hold very wow, this is precious. This is not a good look now. What are we gonna, do you know what? Right. Scrub that. We need to do the gel and the glitter first. Let's pick a glitter. I think Mermaid. It's got that beautiful green hue, and then maybe a bit of Welsh Dragon, or we could even touch up with a little bit of Spring Meadow. Right, we're going to start with this first. So I'm going to get some gel first. Oh, that smells nice. And just, wow. That's a special moment. I'm gonna get really rank here, aren't I? I can just feel it happening. Ooh, that's a bit special. Oh, that smells really good. That smells like school in the 90s when you used to have to put the little curls down the side of your ears because that was the fashion. That looks like a purpley version of Blobby off Hotel Transylvania. Right, so I've got some Mermaid. Oh, let's just pour a load in. Actually, do you know what? I've not even used half a pot. Let's throw some more in. Now it gets fun. Oh wow, this is like so much better than I was expecting. Take two. Oh, this is gonna be, do you know what? I can see me going to get the kids from school with this. Right, so at the back, I'm taking up a section and aiming, that's better. That's a bit, you know, there's a flat bit on the top of your head and then it goes towards the back and this little rounded bit. That's much easier to put the bottle on. Let's check the position. Right, hang on.
Eventually.
How did the paper make it look so good on the internet? Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it on for once and then we're gonna gel. Hang on. Oh my word. Oh, I'm cockeyed. Oh, and it's coming. Oh. Do you know what we're gonna do? Oh, this is, how am I gonna make it tighter? Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, do you know what? In for the penny, in for the pound. Let's just do this. Hang on. Look at this. This is glitterage. I am so there. This isn't supposed to do this, I don't think. If I can just get some like gel on it, and then it might hold it, do we think? Oh, there's a load back there. I am looking precious. Right, you know what? I think we're gonna have to do like handfuls of it. You know what? Let's take the water out. We're gonna put this over my hair first. Sleeves are going up. It's getting serious. Put load into your hand. Ooh. That's Mermaid from My Glitters, that Divine by Natasha Lee. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Rubbing it between the hands. Let's just go around the outside of the hair. I think Rick's got my cup of tea. I know.
Close your eyes.
It's called makeup. Right. We now have glittery slime hair. Awesome. Oh, I've just thought. Oh my word, this is going to set under the studio lights. Lift up that section again. Stick the bottle on. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's fractionally better. No, it's not. I think this is going to go the same way as Christine's toy review video. Whew. It's a bit warm in here. Right. Oh, now there's an idea. If I twist the hair... Yes, that's working. Right, hang on. Let's brush it up. This is what they never show you on these vids. They're like, oh look, I've just put my hair up so quickly behind the butter. It took like 30 seconds. Yeah, well, you've been practicing it for hours, love. You've probably done it about 26 million times before you lost your rag and then finally it clicked. My hair gel's starting to set in the heat. Oh no, no, don't collapse down. My word, okay. Ooh, I think we're finding somewhere here. Right. This time, I'm getting a harder elastic band. And we're going to go around the neck of that bottle. I don't know quite what we're going to do with the funny bit of hair, but we'll work that out in a minute. Oh, well, it's kind of sorted itself out. Oh, right. Okay. Oh, that's a bit more sturdy. I'm going to try and pull that hair around there. Right, let's get some more glitter. Oh, hang on. Glitterage. Well, actually, in theory, it's not glitterage because glitterage is like a fade, balayage, or balayage. How do I explain this one at the school gates? I think we need more glitter. What do you think? It gives it sparkle, it holds it in place. Multi-purpose. Oh, bum fluff. Oh, got glitter gel all over my top. Do you know what? I think of all the videos I've ever done, this is not one I ever expected. This is new. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, it's a bit, hang on, let me turn down the lights. How do I get it on? Okay. No, we need to, hang on. Okay, if we do that, and then that. Oh no, it's tangling. Help! Oh, bum, it's completely tangled. Bobby pin, I'm putting it over the wire and just into my hair, she says. It's not going in. Oh, there's a plastic bottle in the middle, that's why. Do. Oh yes. Now, I have gone to get my kids from school with fidget spinners on my nails, unicorn fidget spinners on my nails. I've gone with the pimple nails. I think this might be a stretch even for me. Oh, do you know what? I think we need to do a 3. Oh no. Oh, help. Oh. No. This isn't my finest moment. Oh, do you know what? It's the YouTube Christmas party next week. I am so tempted to go with my hair like this. Whew. Oh, no! God, Nat, why did you deviate from nail art? So sticky. I'm so unbelievably sticky. Right, I'm gonna go and wash my hands. I'm gonna make a star. Let's make this star. I think we can do it with false nail tips. I'm really liking this. Let me just show you, I just went to wash my hands and it looks so good. So first I'm going to get a nail polish bottle and I'm going to get a little blob of white tack. Stick that on. And then I'm getting some stiletto tips, just full nail covers. And it's a good way, if you don't have like a stand, then you've got a great way that you can just, when I do that, I can feel it pulling up each side of my face. It's like an Essex facelift. So I'm going to go in with Magpie's Honey Bunny, which is a gold. And we're going to paint this very quickly. And then cure. Okay, then we're going to do a second coat quickly. I'm going to use 5 of those stiletto tips, and when they're all done, I'm going to turn it into a star. Famous last words. Let's get some gold glitter. This one is Tiger Eye from My Range Divine by Natasha Lee. I'm getting my number 3 brush, she says. No, I'm getting my number 4 brush. And we're going to pat that onto that sticky inhibition layer. Or the tacky layer. Now the only thing is I've used Magpie, which can be quite sticky on that sticky layer, so you can see it causes it to clump a bit because it's got such a sticky layer. So I'm going to brush over and then take my fan brush and brush off the excess. Before we're going to top coat that twice. I've just had to call up school and say I'm running 15 late. Do you reckon 15's enough? I can guarantee there's going to be times when they're teenagers and it's going to be like, why couldn't I just have a normal mum? Why couldn't you just be boring like every other mum? Why couldn't you just not do crazy stuff? Okay, so let's get this star made. Where's my tweezers? So I did that classic thing where I thought I was recording and I wasn't. What am I going to do here? Right, I don't have time for this. I'm going to do something more immediate. I'm going to use LMP. Otherwise known as acrylic. This is why I did my Grand Masters and I became a master architect. Just for this moment to be able to speed up making a Christmas star out of nail pops. That was the sole and utter reason I did it. Everything is covered in super glue. Including me! Everything's covered in super glue. This is not my best moment. Watch the downfall of Natasha Lee, award-winning nail educator and YouTuber. Oh my god, I'm gluing myself to my hair. Hoosa. Hoosa. Glitter. Crusty glitter. Do you know what? We're giving up on that. Give me 5. I'm going to be back. We can do this. I need a star. Which one has a star? That's too big. What big? Ooh, that's too big too. Star. That's a bit too small. Star. Other one. Any stars? I'm sure there was some stars. Star. Sorry, Angel. Ah! I just hit the chandelier. This is still salvageable. I can still be a good mum. Oh, it's like when I used to vlog. Right, back into the studio. Let's do this. Okay, we have a star. We have, oh, that's so much more poo than the star I was gonna do. I don't quite know how I'm gonna stick this to my hair. Oh, there's a hole in the bottom. That was a bit too excited, that wasn't it? Oh! Let's see. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, well, sort of. Am I winning? We should put that around the back a bit, really. Shouldn't we? Or should we just pin it? My arms aren't long enough. Hang on. Let's see. I'm making a lot of dodgy noises here. I've done it! Yes! That was a little too aggressive. Okay, people. I'm feeling like we're achieving something here. Let's just tweak a little. And tweak, yeah, there we go. Put that there, in there. Watch the lights. God, it's still soaking wet. You know, if you're actually seriously doing this, I would highly recommend blow drying it. Okay, darlings, we are done. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, that pulls a bit. I'll probably have a headache later, but it ain't budging. Let's do a fashion shot. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little bit of silliness in time for Christmas, and I don't know how I'm going to take it out now to go and get the kids. I really actually don't. I don't know how I'm going to get the lights off. I might have to just take the bottle out and go with the lights and the star. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're not yet subscribed and you're fond of gingers, glitter and nail art, then please hit that subscribe button, and next to it you'll see a teeny tiny little bell icon that if you click on it, it will notify you every time I upload. If you want to buy any of the products that I've used in this video today, then the links to them or telling you where to buy them will be down in the description down below. I want to say a huge thank you to all my VIPs, including my new VIP, Laurel. Thank you very much, Laurel. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Right, how am I gonna do it? Ow! Ah! You and your bright ideas, Nat. Oh, that is so pretty. Ow! Ow! Woohoo! Hairbrush. Ow! But I can't get a comb through it. Oh! Oh, you bloody muppet, Nat. You and your bright ideas. Oh, wow. Let's just scrunch them. Oh, I am feeling that vibe. Done. Over and out.